Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize Quick Launch button into your OnePlus Nord 25G. First of all, open Settings and find Convenience Tools, this one. And here we got power button options, so click. And here we got double click the power key and press and hold the power key. So first option will be open camera, and next option has two options for choosing, for example, power menu and voice assistant Google. So you can, first option you can check camera or turn off this option, and last only change power menu or voice assistant Google. And for saving, click back. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.